Namaste, Sukanya ji.
Namaste, sir.
I welcome you on behalf of Sakar and myself also.
Yeah.
It's my pleasure to present you one of the exclusive artists who is the only lady to play Ghatam, that is Sukanya Ramagopal. Now, firstly, we will listen something.
Actually, this is in rag Valaji, which is equivalent to Hindustani raga Kalavati. It is set to Kanda Chaputalam 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 Kanda Chaputala.
Okay. Well. Oh, very nice, very nice.
Thank you.
So I am once again welcoming you and all those who are watching this program on behalf of Sakar Papers Group. And you are all of you are lucky because you are watching such an artist, such a lady who is the first Indian lady who plays Ghatam, Sukanya Ramagopal. It's a percussionist. It is said that it's a male dominant music field. So my first question is how this choice was made by yourself.
Actually, from in my childhood,
Huh.
from my childhood, I am very fascinated about percussion instruments.
Huh.
I used to play on a table and whatever I'm having in my hand, I used to play on that. And I asked my sister to sing a song, and I used to accompany her. Whenever I go to music concerts in Sabas, I'll sit in front and front row and put talam for the concert. So this this thing actually in my gene, I think maybe in my birth, I'm having from my childhood, I'm having a passion about percussion instruments. And I started learning vocal Master used to come to our house. I learned music, vocal music with my sister. Uh, with master used to come to my house and teaching vocal music. Then I wanted to learn violin. Even violin master, Mr. Dhanapal sir, used to come to our house and teach me violin. I know some 30 kirtanas how to play on violin, and still I that passion about percussion was in my heart actually. So then Dhanapal sir couldn't come to teach me violin. Yes, he got some other commitments. So I thought continue the violin lessons from Sri T.H. Gurumurthy, who is brother of Vikku Vinayakaram sir. Just so I just went to T.H. Gurumurthy sir to learn violin. But whenever I go to violin classes, my attraction was towards the percussion class, which is going on in the opposite side of my classroom. So one fine day, I just I just went to Harihara Sharma sir and asked him whether I can learn mridangam. He told me that
how he's your guru, Harihara Sharma.
Guru, yes. Harihara Sharma sir, yeah. So he told me today is a good day, we can start today itself. So without any Guru Dakshina, without any some Dakshina and banana, whatever we used to give first day, no, to start the classes. So just I started the classes. Within 3 years, I started playing for concerts. Yeah.
One more thing. Your guru, as you said, Harihara Sharma, and even Vikku Vinayakam.
Vikku Vinayakaram sir. Yeah. Yes.
How encourage you to continue with Ghatam?
Actually, I used to go
both
with
both of them.
Yeah. I used to go with Vikku sir for to hear about the concerts, about what he was doing. So I used to go with him for his concerts. So when I was listening to him playing the Ghatam on the concert platform, it was very mesmerizing. His playing was mesmerizing to me. I should say still today, when he plays the Ghatam, it is really mesmerizing to me.
Yeah.
So
I think he's at present 88 or 19. Age is
maybe 88.
And still he's presenting his program.
Yeah. Not 88 actually. 1942. 78.
I saw him on television.
Okay.
So you are explaining about your gurus.
Yeah. So
the
the Sawal Jawab, which he was playing with Mridangam artist, was so good, and I thought I should learn Ghatam. So I just went to him the next day. Your concert was amazing yesterday. Why don't you teach me Ghatam? He told me that it is very difficult to make the sound on a clay pot. It's made up of mud, so it's very difficult to make sound. For me itself, I'm struggling so much. You're a girl and your fingers are soft, so you're practicing mridangam very well. You can continue the mridangam. Why do you want to take this Ghatam and play? But I was not at all convinced with his answer. I just asked him please give me a ghatam. I try my hand. If I'm not able to get the sound, I will leave it.
Mhm.
He was not at all convinced. He went to his father and told him that Sukanya wants to learn ghatam.
Mhm.
Uh, I don't know what to say to her.
Mhm.
She is very much keen on learning ghatam.
Mhm.
Harihara Sharma sir told him,
Uh,
uh, Gadam doesn't know whether it is played by a girl or boy.
oh.
So she has learned Mridangam within 3 years and started giving small concerts.
Mhm.
So if we train her on Gatam,
Mhm.
it is our school will be proud of her.
Uh-huh.
So the school Sri Jayaganesh Talavadya Vidyalaya is
That's at Chennai.
yeah, it is in Chennai.
Uh-huh.
So it is started by Sri Harihara Sharma sir.
Uh-huh.
He told his son like that.
Oh.
So that time Viku sir went to US
Uh-huh.
to teach in a school, university, in an university.
Oh.
He went to US
US.
for 1 year. Actually, he has to stay there for 1 year and teach the students.
Okay.
So his father told him, "You go and come back.
Mhm.
Within that 1 year, I will train her, and
Mhm.
afterwards you can see her playing."
Uh-huh.
So he took his as a challenge and asked me to come for the classes.
Mhm.
So I used to practice. Almost I know all the lessons in Mridangam. So he taught me the small changes in the fingering techniques.
Mhm.
And there is one fingering, tarigid, no?
Uh-huh.
He asked me to play this for hours together. He
Mhm.
used to sit in a easy chair and ask me to play this fingering.
Oh.
So I used to play for hours together.
Oh.
So when I get some pain, if I stop it, so I thought Harihara Sharma sir is sleeping.
Mm.
So I will take some few minutes of rest.
Mm.
So if I stop the playing, no,
Mhm.
immediately he will get up. I didn't ask you to stop. You should go on playing until I say stop. That is the practice given by him
Wow.
to
Wow.
this
Wow.
this this fingering is really mesmerizing. Like that, we
Wow.
have to get the speed. So it is like that.
Oh, I'm very much eager to ask you that this particular instrument is related to any festival because, for example, Shehnai, that is related with uh, Shadi,
Uh-huh.
like
Yeah,
Ghatam.
actually,
Huh?
Gatam actually, uh, it's just a pot. You
Oh,
can see just a mud pot. In
oh.
those days, people used to cook in mud
Huh.
vessels only. They won't use steel or whatever.
Mhm.
And especially on Pongal, that is Shankaranti,
Oh,
January,
Sankranti.
January,
Mhm.
yeah,
January
14th or 15th.
14
Yeah,
January. Mm.
14th January.
Mm.
Shankaranti festival used to
Right.
come.
Makar
So,
Sankranti.
Makara
Huh.
Sankranti. Yeah.
Mm.
So, at that time, people used to keep sweet pongal in
Mhm.
this only. So, it
Oh.
will come out. So, when it comes out, pouring
Mhm.
out,
Mhm.
all of us used to shout, Pongalo, Pongal, like that.
Oh. Oh.
So, so it is custom to cook on this. So it's very auspicious to do sweet pongal on a pot.
How your husband contributed in this difficult journey?
Yeah, I should thank him because because my parents encouraged me, and even my master Viku sir, Harihara Sharma sir, and Sri Jaganesh Salavadya Jalya is a school. So so many masters used to come. Sri K.M. Vaidyanathan sir, and Viku sir's brother T.H. Subhash Chandran. They all encouraged me. So after marriage, my husband encourages me, and my mother-in-law encouraged me.
Wow,
So
wow,
I should be very thankful to God that I'm having a wonderful husband and wonderful children and a good family to go forward in my career.
One more thing, why is it male dominant instrument? It's difficult to play for a female?
Actually, the more than the physical power, one should have the mental power. You should have the fire inside. When you have the fire inside, you can do anything. And if you are working hard to achieve some goal, you can achieve, whether it's a female or male. Of course, it's a male dominant field. I agree with you. Yeah, I faced so many things that so many musicians doesn't want to play with female artists. So like that.
But that because of it's very hard to play from female side.
No, not like that. I can play. No, I have played so many years for the past 45 years. I have played.
That's what we are enjoying. That's why I'm asking you. What's your experience? Physically, there is something paining or something, anything?
No, it will pain. No, so without pain, we no gain.
Right, you're right. So once again, we are very much eager to listen, Ghatam.
Yeah. Now I may play just in a single Ghatam, maybe.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
For last so many years, you are presenting this Ghatam in so many programs. So, which was the most memorable program in your mind?
Yeah.
It's difficult to say, but even though.
Yeah, once during Gokulashtami music festival, I played.
Gokulashtami Music Festival. That is
Yeah,
at,
yeah.
at
Krishna, Lord Krishna's birthday.
no, I know that, but that is at
Yeah.
Bangalore or somewhere else.
Bangalore only.
Bangalore.
So yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
So when the solo between Mridangam and Ghatam came, so it was really all the audience was mesmerized by the solo between Mridangam and Ghatam. The dialogue between Mridangam and the Ghatam. The Mridang is played one Kandanadai taka takita taka takita, and I also replied to him very nicely. So the hall was fully crowded. So more than 2,000 people will be there. So all of them praised about our Taniyavartanam that day more than the concert. People admired about the Taniyavartanam, and also um, there is Jatre in
what?
Actually it is near Bellary.
Bellary.
Yeah, yeah. So there is a community which do puja for Shiva and their gurus. So all the people from all over the village used to gather there. So we I played Gatatarang with my group, all women ensemble there. So if you see everywhere, you can see only people. There is no gap at all. It's like a small mountain or whatever. It's a small. Every person used to come from all the villages by walking and doing. It is called Ejja Namaskara. Means each step they will do a namaskara. Then again they will stand and put one more full step forward and do namaskara. Like that, they used to come for that temple.
Mhm.
So it is very really mesmerizing crowd, and we had very good appreciation from all the people and the Swamiji. So we had some 4 programs
Huh.
in the consecutive years.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow, wow.
So
Huh. You have gone through some good and bad experiences also. Can you explain one more?
uh,
Even bad also.
yeah, it's very nice to play with my guru.
Uh-huh.
So it's a very learning experience, and it's a very no. I will be very having some fear to play along with him.
Oh, oh.
I may do some mistake. I don't know. So one side I will be very having fear, and I am very happy that the opportunity has come to play along with him. So some mixed feelings. I have to play along with him. It's a really great thing, and also to play with my students
Mm-hmm.
also gives me very too much of happiness, because we used to play Gatamala. With my students, I used to play Gatamala. So
Mm-hmm.
instead of having the Gatams set like this, each one will have different tone of Gatam.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be having all this around me. Each
Mm-hmm.
one will have one Gatam. So it'll be very nice to hear. So
Can you show it to us?
no, each one has to have their Gatam.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, my students.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm some five of our students, and along with me, we
Oh,
used to have Gatamala. So
uh-huh.
we do Laya Vinyasam in that. It will be very nice to see
Mm-hmm.
Gatamala.
Oh, oh. What will be your essence of the experience to share with the young lady who want to enter or practicing in this field?
Uh, See, there is no shortcut. Only you have to work hard. Work hard. Please work hard. That's all. Nothing else can bring you success.
Mm-hmm.
So learn. Always try to learn. Even today, also, I am a student. I have to
Oh,
learn so many
oh.
things. I have to listen to other colleagues who are playing in the present day, and I have to listen to the yesteryear's stalwarts.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to listen to them, and still today I'm a student. So there is a lot of things to learn.
Mm-hmm. Right, right, right.
I know very just a small thing. That's all. I'm just sharing this with my students.
Oh.
Actually, there is no uh, any notation for Gadam lessons.
Mm-hmm.
My master Harihara Sharma sir has
Uh,
published a book, How to
mm.
Learn Mridangam.
Oh, oh.
So
Mridangam.
he used to give me the lessons and ask me to uh, check the proof. So in that way, I'm used to know how to do the notation and how to correct it. So all that I came to know about after doing this work for my uh, sir. So this helped me to publish a book, How to Play Gatam.
Mm-hmm.
So with a lot of photos and exercises and lessons, I published a book called Sunadam, the Viku Bani of playing Gatam.
Oh, oh.
Because this style of playing is very easy to accommodate, even though it is very difficult for the learner for the
Oh.
first time. After learning it and mastering the fingering techniques of Viku sir, it will
Uh-huh.
be very helpful to play anywhere with anybody.
Mm.
So so I don't want to miss the next generation about this very golden lessons and golden fingering techniques and other things.
Oh,
So
oh.
I just wanted to publish a book. So this is book number 1. Yet to do some other.
You are going to write, or it has completed?
No, book 1 has come out.
Okay, okay. And
Yeah.
now second book? No.
Second book, because I don't know how to sell it.
Oh, this is that first book.
First book, yeah.
Oh.
It has so many photos, how to play and exercises, lessons, and everything.
Right.
How to do fingering techniques and other things. So many.
Right. Sukanya ji, you have got so many awards while you are presenting this program. So, but which is the most memorable response in your mind? Any stalwart artist has come to your show? Music field, particularly.
Music field, yeah. Actually, Umayalpuram Shivaraman sir has witnessed me playing, and he praised me a lot that one which our group played in Nadanirajanam in Tirumala. He praised me a lot. I saw that program. You're doing excellent job, and your playing was too good. The Gatatarang is extremely nice idea, and you are doing it in a nice manner. Like that, so many artists telephoned me and praised me a lot on that day, particular Nadanirajanam concert. So Manargudi Ishwaran sir and also Mr. Narasimhan sir, so many people called me and praised me.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Sukanya ji. Once again, while summing up this program, we would like to listen your Ghatam once again.
Yeah, sure.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad, Dhanyavad. Thank you.